Okay, so they want how many different numbers greater than 1,000,000? Let me write this down over here as 1,000,000. And they want the numbers to be greater than 1,000,000. So I got to be honest with you, this could be very difficult, but they give me a limited number of digits to do it with. And how many digits they give me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got a 7-digit number. All right, so it's got to be greater. So the question is, what could be used for the first digit? Every number but 0. So let's just talk about the numbers that exceed 4 million. All right, let's talk about those. So then someone says, what are the choices then? Well, the choices then is arranging these things over here. So what numbers do you have left? Well, you have 6 numbers left. So it's going to be 6 factorial. And what numbers are left? Well, certainly not the 4. So you have 3 3s, that's 3 factorial. You have 2 2s, that's 2 factorial. And you've got 1 lousy 0, that's 1 factorial. This is the kind of number I can compute without a computer. So it's going to be 6, 5, 4, 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, which is 2. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10, 60. Okay? They're the numbers that exceed 4 million. All right, I want to go to the next thing, picking another number. I'm still going to do the million. I can do the same diagram I have over here. I'll get rid of the 4, though. So I want to use the numbers that are like 3 million. And then I got a bunch of digits over here to worry about. I'm going to arrange those, all right? Now, how many digits are left? There's 6. So 6 factorial. These are the numbers that exceed 3 million, but they're certainly going to be smaller than 4 million. So what do you get? You get 6 factorial. I got a 4. That's 1 factorial. How many 3s do we got? Only 2. 2 factorial. How many 2s do we have? 2. How many 0s do we have? 1. All right? So let's count it up on the bottom. Let's see if I got 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. Yeah, I did. So what's going to be? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 factorial. The bottom number is going to be 2 times 2 factorial. This cancels. This is 2. You can get 30 times, 2 times 5 is 10, 30, 180. All right? I got that number. All right? Let's go to the next one. And what's another number I could choose there? Well, I chose the 4 already. I chose the 3. The only other number I could choose is the number 2. How many digits I got left over now? 6 factorial. Right? How many 4s do I have? 1 4. How many 3s do I have? 3 3s. How many 2s do I have? Only 1, because I took 1 in the front, and there's going to be 1 0. All right, what do you get there? 6 factorial, which is 6, 5, 4, 3 factorial. These are numbers I can compute with. Divide by 3 factorial. So what do you get? 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 20 is 120. All right, let me just get the highlighter out. Make sure you know what I just computed. This is the number of numbers that exceeds 4 million. There's 60 of them. This is the number of numbers that exceeds 3 millions but still remains below 4 million. There's 180 of them. This is the number of numbers that exceed 2 million but remain below 3 million. You may have to take time to think about that. I got to add those together then. 60, 180, and 120. 60, 180, and 120. Add them together. Well, 180, 120 is 300, and plus 60, 360. It's 360 ways to do that. Thank you. Oh, before I go, let me remind you, I'm Ron Bannon. Email address, in case you think something's wrong, or something is wrong. You're not thinking, you know it. Thank you.